Hello my babies. Welcome back to another video. In this video today, I'm going to be showing you guys my 1500 calorie diet for fat loss / weight loss. If you're trying to become a lean little jelly bean, you want to get shreddy spaghetti, lose some weight, then this is the video for you. I do have one secret food that I eat that helps me lose fat, which I will be showing at the end of the video, so make sure you watch to the end so you don't miss that. We're going to head out onto the store now. Make sure you subscribe to join the Swole Squad. Let's get into it. Let's go. Follow me. Alright, we are back at the Mama Swole lair, and I'm gonna show you guys what I got at the store. So maybe you're wondering, Christina, why should I listen to you? Out of all the people on YouTube, there's tons of people, why should I listen to you? Well, first of all, I'm freaking jacked. I'm freaking shredded. Look at me. Look at this. That's why. I'm just kidding. I'm not really kidding. I'm like half kidding. But also, I do have my degree in exercise science. I'm a certified exercise physiologist, a personal trainer, and I did a bikini competition. So I'd say I'm pretty damn credible. So listen to your mother. Oh, and I'm your mother. Can't believe I missed that piece. I should have said that first. So let me show you guys what I got today. Damn, where do we start? As you can see, I have a lot of items here. We should probably start at like the first meal. That'd be a good place to start, right? No, let's start at the last meal. All right, for breakfast, because breakfast is the most important meal of the day, I have every single morning, same thing, same exact thing, some eggs and some toast. This bread is awesome because it's literally 45 calories. 45. Pretty damn low in calories for bread. So I only have one piece and I have 2 little eggs. I do have some peanut butter on the bread. Well, it's not just bread. I guess I should say it's toast. People just think I'm eating like a plain piece of bread. That would be nasty as fuck. But I don't put that much peanut butter on it because one serving of peanut butter is 2 tablespoons and I do not need 2 tablespoons for one piece of bread. So I use probably like a half. If you're trying to lose weight, you do need to pay attention to the amount of what you're consuming. So you need to pay attention to serving size and things like that. Like you need to get a weight scale, some measuring cups. Make sure you're not having this much peanut butter. That's way too much for just one meal, okay? Also for breakfast, I don't really have this for breakfast. I have it like after my breakfast. I have some prebiotic greens because this is a large amount of my fiber intake for the day, and fiber... We're gonna act like that didn't happen. Fiber is very important, folks. I'm pretty sure the recommendation for women is about 20 to 25 grams of fiber per day, so make sure you're getting that in so you don't have problems. I don't have to say the problems, right? You know what the problems are, right? Yeah. While I'm talking about this though, I might as well run through all of my supplement stack. So all of the supplements I take are from Transparent Labs. The other supplement I take is pre-workout. I don't think that you necessarily need to take it unless you're me and you're addicted. I'm highly addicted. But I will say, when I take this shit, I sweat like crazy. And I don't sweat. I'm a mortal. But this stuff makes me sweat. And it gives me a kick-ass workout. And we all love a kick-ass workout, right? Right, okay. Then I guess I'll talk about my protein shake too. For my protein shake, I put this vegan protein powder. Obviously it doesn't have to be vegan, but I'm lactose intolerant. It's a great time. I love it. It's so fun. So I have this organic vegan protein. When I make the protein shake, I have it with some almond milk because that would make no sense if I was eating lactose-free protein and full lactose milk, right? Okay, so that's why I have almond milk. I put, oh, there's a hair on that. That's nice. Just get that out there. And then I mix some bananas and strawberries in there. Not too much, only like a cup. And then I put like a tablespoon of peanut butter. Also, you can use code MamaSwole on Transparent Lab supplements. You can get yourself a discount, baby. Link is in the description. So after I go to the gym, I have my post-workout meal. And for my post-workout meal, I have some seitan. Not to be confused with Satan, the guy that we all know and love. I mix this seitan. I don't even know if I'm saying that right. I'm pretty sure it's pronounced seitan. Let me know in the comments below. I mix the seitan with some of this. Veggies with noodles. Quick and easy. You just throw it on the stove, simmer it up, easy peasy. And I actually do usually eat the whole bag. And the whole bag is only 60 calories, folks. I should say that if you're trying to lose weight, veggies are key because veggies will keep you super full. You want to stay full, right? You don't want to be starving. No one likes to starve. I should probably also mention the seasonings and the dressing that I have. Y'all know what it's like to eat like plain chicken and rice, right? It ain't fun. No one likes to do that. So we gotta spice it up literally with some Mrs. Dash. I really like Mrs. Dash. Wait, I don't even know if it's Mrs. Wait, didn't this used to be Mrs. Dash, or was it Mr. Dash? And they took it away and now it's just Dash. Okay, so I took some of this Dash dressing. It's salt-free, so if you're worried about salt or your sodium intake, there you go, bam. And then for our dressing, I usually either have this Catalina fat-free dressing. Check it out. It is only 7 carbs, no fat, sadly no protein, but that's pretty damn good and it tastes good. And then we have this G Hughes, baby. I feel like this is a very popular item. Only 15 grams of carbs, and for barbecue sauce, that's pretty damn good, right? Right, just agree. Also, I have coffee for breakfast. For me personally, coffee keeps me really full. Caffeine is just like a very filling substance. I'm so great with words, guys. It's a very filling substance. Keeps you full. Also, if I don't have coffee, I will attack somebody, man. Somebody's gonna get... You know, I'm just kidding. I don't condone violence here. But yeah, coffee, great stuff. Highly recommend. Keeps you full. If you're trying to lose weight, want to stay full. Fuck. Next up, we're going to talk about our little snacks. So I already covered my protein shake. That's one of the snacks I have. But my other little snacks, because I'm a snacky kind of gal. If you're a snacky kind of gal too, comment below. Let's be friends. Like I said, no lactose for this gal. So I usually have these no-cal protein bars. I'm not going to lie, my favorite flavor is the birthday cake. Does it taste like birthday cake? No, but it tastes good. And that's all I really care about. And for a vegan protein bar, this is 21 grams of protein, and that's pretty damn good for a vegan, because every other vegan protein bar I've seen is like 11 grams. That's like not shit. So yes, this is what I like. Keeps you full, tastes good, good shit. And then for our dinner, folks, to end the day off, we have some salmon. I know it's salmon. I'm just trying to be funny. I'm just messing with you. So we have some salmon, some whole grain rice. As you can see, I don't know if I mentioned this, but the bread I eat is whole grain as well. And there's really no purpose behind that besides the fact that it's better for your skin. A lot of my diet is skincare friendly. I don't know, acne prone friend. I don't know how to word this, but you get what I'm saying. So maybe I'll make another video about diet to clear up acne. If you want to see that, let me know in the comments below. And once again, more veggies, folks. Because why? What did you learn? Veggies keep you full. That's right. I'm such a good teacher. Look at you. You're learning so much. I'm so proud of you. Also, spinach. I usually eat this like in a bowl by itself. You know, when I'm watching a movie late at night, I just munch. I'm just kidding. I do not do that. That would be disgusting. If someone says they do that, they're fucking capping. There's no way anybody does that. But sometimes I do like to add my spinach to my eggs because it also keeps me full. I don't know if this is just like my imagination, but I feel like when I look at my skin on the days that I eat this for breakfast, my skin is like glowing and I have more energy. So maybe it's just placebo, maybe it's Maybelline, I don't know. That's it, folks. Did you like it? Did you like, oh, my secret food. I promised them a secret food. Alright, I'm gonna be real with you. A lot of videos and magazines and media will try to tell you that there's like secret foods that will help you lose weight. That's bullshit. Okay, there's no secret food. Really, the secret is having a balanced diet, eating nutrient-dense foods. I don't really think that there's any good or bad foods. I don't really like to look at it like that. I feel like that creates an unhealthy relationship with food. And the best diet is one that you can do long-term, baby. So you definitely want balance in your life. Every now and again, I'll have a donut. I'll have a cookie. This is what I eat, and it's roughly 1,500 calories. Oh, I should probably also add, just to cover my ass and because I care about humans, I don't think that 1,500 is necessarily what everybody has to eat. Everybody's calorie needs are going to be different. So I'm not saying that you should eat exactly 1,500 calories if you want to lose weight. That's going to depend on you. I'm simply showing you what I eat. There are calculators and things that you can use online that will help you calculate your own calorie needs. So make sure you check that out. I'll put some links below. I should probably also add that my diet, maybe you noticed, maybe you didn't, I do have lots of protein in my diet. I have about 120 grams of protein every day. The recommendation is to have at least 1 gram of protein per pound of muscle, and I'm about 120 pounds. So that's why I eat that much, but you eat what your body needs. You get what I'm saying? You get me? It's important to have a lot of protein in your diet if you want to lose weight because A, protein keeps you full. It's like the most filling out of all the other macronutrients. And if you don't know what macronutrients are, then you need to hit me up for some personal training, baby. We need to work together. You can email me about that. Also, protein is important for building muscle, and muscle, A, it makes you look more lean. It gives you that toned look that everybody so desperately desires. B, muscle is more metabolically active. And what does that mean, you ask? Or maybe you know. Can you tell me what it means? You can't? That's okay, I got you. It means that your body will burn more calories at rest than it would if you had a lot of fat in your body. So having a lot of muscle is good. You're not gonna look like Arnold, trust me. Do I look like Arnold? I do, don't I? That's because Arnold's my twin. And folks, the last thing, a very, very large part of losing weight is working out. So if you got the diet on point, but you don't got the workouts on point, I don't know, guys. I don't think that's gonna work out so well. So the good news is I have workout programs on mamaswole.com. Make sure you go check them out. You can email me at christina@mamaswole.com for personal training. I'd love to help you out. Let's reach our fitness goals together. Let's reach them together. All right, there you have it, folks. Give this video a like if you liked it. Please give it a like. It helps the algo, and I helped you, so now you gotta help me, okay? That's how this works. We help each other. We're a team. We're family. You're my child. Subscribe to join the Swole Squad. Comment below the word dash. Not Mrs. Dash and not Mr. Dash, just Dash. If you'd like to support me on Patreon for just $2 a month, just $2, that's it. Link is in the description below. Shout out to all my patrons. I love you guys so much. If you'd like to support me on Cash App, Venmo, or PayPal, link is also in the description. I have merch, and you already know, like I said, I have workout programs on mamaswole.com, so make sure you check those out so you become a lean jelly bean, a little shreddy spaghetti. There's one little noodle of shredded spaghetti, okay? I will see you guys on the next one. Have a good ass day.
How to get my weight up, yeah. Weight in the cake up, yeah. Turn up in the gym, know I'm calling Mama Swole. Bad little shawty, and you know I'm on a roll.
Press like an empress, no one to impress, bitch. Find me on the guest list. Got that Louis V necklace. Subscribe to the Mama Swole channel, even if your name is random. Got it lit like a candle. Catch me swerving in the Lambo.